Hi, first graders and families. Welcome to our virtual open house. I know this is different than before, but that's all right. We're doing the best that we can over here. I just want to give you a little bit of background information about me. I'm Miss Mikesell. I'm going into my 4th year at Yake. I graduated from Grand Valley in 2017, and I got my degree in elementary education as well as English. Currently, I'm getting my master's degree at Wayne State in elementary math with a math specialist certificate. So I'm busy with that, but it's good. It keeps me going, keeps my brain sharp. I am engaged to Jonathan. He's my fiance, and we currently live in Woodhaven. We were supposed to get married in June, but since COVID hit, we had to push our wedding back to next June, but that's all right, no problem. A little fun fact about me is I have 13 teachers in my family and a couple cousins currently in school going to be teachers. So like I've always said, I was born to do this. It's in my blood. My mom teaches 4th grade at Bates Elementary, and she is also Miss Mikesell, so that's pretty cool. So I'm glad that you got to learn a little bit about me. I can't wait to learn about you and your families all this year. See you soon. All right, well, here's my virtual classroom. It says, welcome to Miss Mikesell's 1st grade class. If you look in the right-hand corner, there's the little Google Classroom on the laptop. You can click on that, and it links you to our Google Classroom. Further down in the slideshow, you will see how to log into Google Classroom in your Gmail, so just wait on that. If you want to take a look at all these little books that we have linked, we have Your Finally Here, Jitter Juice, Bucket Filler, David Goes to School. So a lot of fun books. Some of the books that we will be doing activities online. So if you want to take a look and read those soon, that would be great. If you can, after the slideshow and after this presentation's over, click on this link where it says here, and you can sign up for our beginning of the year Zoom meeting. This is important so you can, I can meet with you and your child one-on-one. So this needs to have parent or both parents or guardians and the child present with the Zoom meeting. We will be doing this the first week of school on Thursday and Friday. It's important that you sign up for a time that works best for you and your family. I want to be able to accommodate you, and I want to be able to meet you so I can answer any questions that you might have, talk about the school year a little bit. So that's very important, so please don't forget to do that. There is a Zoom meeting the first day of school at 9:30 a.m. The link is in this presentation, so you will get a link to this whole presentation, so you'll have the links on it. Please make sure you are on time, you're ready to learn and listen. You don't need to bring anything the first day, but we will have Zoom meetings every day at 9:30. So please make sure that you're up, you're ready to listen, you're ready to learn. Please follow the directions that are given. Like on the second day of school, you're going to need some material, so make sure you're ready and prepared and ready to learn. In the following slides, you'll see all the logins to start off for the year. So I'm not going to go through each individual how to log in, but I'll talk about the different accounts that we are going to need to be successful this year. So you will need a Gmail account. It's given to you by the school. It's your first name and last name at wbsdweb.com, and the password is WBSD. So this talks about how to get into Gmail, Google Docs, and if you are having trouble, I can answer any questions, of course, but there's also a YouTube video to show you how to log in. The next slide shows for Google Classroom. So once you've logged into Gmail, you can now log into Google Classroom. Our code is the 46TV3U8, so you can use that to log in. It would be very helpful and beneficial if you are logged in, ready to go by the first day of school. That way, when the first day of school is here, we do our quick Zoom meeting as a whole class, and then you can go in and do those assignments right away. All right, you will also need Think Central. You won't need this right away. We're going to take some time to ease into the curriculum, but it would be helpful to log in because Think Central can be difficult and tricky sometimes. You need to select the state, the district, the school, and then your username is your email, but the password is different. It's Learn. There is also a YouTube video linked here to help you log into Think Central. It makes things a lot easier, but of course, I'm here to answer any questions that you might have. We are also using Seesaw this year, so if you're new to Seesaw or if you're not, there's a little bit different directions, but you need to scan this QR code with the device that you are using. If you're having difficulties with that, just let me know and I can help you. And lastly, join our Facebook page. It's Miss Mikesell's Yake First Graders 2020 to 2021. Take a look. We were going to see lots of announcements and pictures of our remote learning year. It will be a little bit different this year, but I'm very excited to get started. I can't wait to start learning with you, meeting you. It's not going to be things that are like the same in spring with remote learning. Things are going to be a little bit more rigorous. It's going to be following more of the curriculum. But we're in this together. We can do this. To go back to the Zoom meetings quickly, we are going to have a lot of Zoom meetings. Like I said, in the mornings we will have Zoom meetings, in the afternoons and late morning we may even have whole group, or even one-on-one Zoom meetings depending on what your child needs. So I can't wait to learn with you. Thank you in advance for your support and your understanding. This is a hard time for all of us. We're learning as we go, but I am here for whatever you may need. Please do not hesitate to reach out. I will get you my phone number, my email, my school extension, anything that you need to get your child to be successful this year, to learn how to read, to do math, everything, writing, anything that you need, I'm here for you and for your child. So I can't wait to learn this year with you, and I can't wait to learn more about you. See you soon.